Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to delve into the world of Google Bard. For those unfamiliar, Google Bard is an AI tool provided by Google, and it's spelled B-A-R-D. Now, for those who have been using Bard, there's an exciting new update in town: extensions. If you have ever used ChatGPT, you might find extensions on Google Bard somewhat reminiscent of plugins. Alright, let's kick things off. I've opened the Google Bard homepage, and we are all set to explore the brand new extensions feature. Over here, you will encounter a few options: understand, create, explore, and code. But our main focus today is on Google Bard extensions. To locate it, simply look for the little puzzle piece icon. And there it is. Click on Extensions, and you'll be introduced to a world of possibilities these extensions bring to the table. One of the fantastic aspects of using Google Bard is its seamless integration with all the Google apps you know and love: Google Drive, Google Flights, Hotels, Google Maps, YouTube, and more. To enable an extension, just click on Extensions, and it might request you to log in into your Google account if you haven't done so already. This is to grant the extension access to specific Google services. Before we proceed with an example, if you're interested in staying updated on the latest AI tools and how to use them, this channel might be just what you need. We provide updates and how-to videos on using AI tools in today's world. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support helps us keep creating content like this. Alright, let's move on. Let us consider an example. Suppose you want to make use of the Google Workspace extension. You can type something like retrieve all emails from a specific person or company email, as long as you are connected to your Google email, and hit enter. But if you haven't connected the extension yet, then just do what I have shown you earlier. Once connected, Google Bard will fetch the most recent emails from that individual. You can even click to open them in Gmail. Now, when we return to the extensions section, by clicking the puzzle icon, you'll find a diverse array of extensions enabled, including the YouTube extension, Google Flights, Hotels, and more. It is like having your search powers turbocharged right within Google Bard. Let us put these extensions to work. For instance, let us say you are on the hunt for a video tutorial on baking the perfect chocolate cake. Type in your request and hit enter. Google Bard will leverage the YouTube extension to display the most pertinent videos based on your query. This is an invaluable resource for both YouTube content creators and individuals seeking specific information. It is a win-win. And if you ever wish to revert to regular search results, you can easily disable the YouTube extension. Don't worry, I will guide you on how to do that shortly. Now, let us venture into the Google Maps extension. Imagine you want to locate coffee shops near the Cebu City Port or any place you fancy. You can simply type "Show me coffee shops close to the Cebu City Port." The Google Maps extension springs into action, presenting results alongside a map. Click on any of them to access Google Maps directly. In essence, Google Bard's extensions are all about elevating your user experience. Whatever you can typically do within these apps, you can now seamlessly perform within Google Bard. It is like Google Bard has absorbed the capabilities of these apps, all at your beck and call through your prompts. If you ever wish to disable an extension, just head back to the extensions menu and uncheck it. Extensions with a blue check mark are enabled, while those unchecked are disabled. That concludes our step-by-step demonstration of the installation, activation, and deactivation of extensions in Google Bard, along with a brief overview of how to utilize them. We are keen to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. What stands out as your favorite feature in the latest Google Bard update? Google Bard is unquestionably one of my preferred AI tools, and I am eagerly looking forward to the progress of these extensions. In our upcoming video, I will provide an in-depth tutorial on maximizing the effectiveness of each extension. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss it. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.